Welcome to FactStub. In an era where technology is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives, medical technology is not left behind. We've seen an incredible surge of innovation over the years, from the inception of pacemakers to the advent of robotic surgery to the use of artificial intelligence in diagnosing diseases. The landscape of medical technology has been continuously evolving. And now, we're standing on the precipice of another groundbreaking development: the world's first bionic eye. This remarkable invention, a product of tireless research and innovation, has been developed by an Australian university. Imagine a world where the blind could see again, where the colors of a sunset, the smile of a loved one, or the words on a page are no longer lost in darkness. This is not a figment of science fiction, it's the reality that the bionic eye promises to bring. A development that has the potential to change millions of lives, the bionic eye is truly a testament to the prowess of modern medical technology. Imagine a world where visual impairment is no longer a life sentence, but a condition that can be rectified. That's the promise of the bionic eye. In the realm of medical technology, the bionic eye stands as a beacon of hope for those who have lost their sight. The brainchild of brilliant minds at an Australian university, this innovation is more than just science fiction. It's a reality that's changing lives. But how does the bionic eye work? In its essence, it's a device that can mimic the function of the retina, the part of the eye that converts light into electrical signals that the brain can interpret. The bionic eye, equipped with a small camera, captures images much like a normal eye. These images are then converted into electrical signals and sent to the brain via a microchip implanted in the eye. In essence, it's like giving the eye a high-tech upgrade. The bionic eye isn't just a theoretical concept. It has been put to the test, with successful trials that have restored a level of vision to those who were once completely blind. One participant, who had been living in darkness for over 30 years, was able to see shapes and objects for the first time in decades. This is a testament to the potential of this groundbreaking innovation. Yet the bionic eye is not just about restoring sight, it's about enhancing the human experience, about empowering individuals, and about pushing the boundaries of what medical technology can achieve. It's about a future where limitations are merely stepping stones to innovation, where challenges fuel the drive for solutions, and where the impossible becomes the possible. The bionic eye is more than a device, it's a symbol of hope, a testament to human ingenuity, and a catalyst for change in the world of medical technology. It's a glimpse into a future where sight is no longer a privilege, but a right that can be reclaimed. This revolutionary development opens up a world of possibilities, not just for those with visual impairments, but for the future of medical technology as a whole. The bionic eye is not just a medical marvel, but a beacon of hope for the visually impaired community. Imagine a world where darkness gives way to light, where the unseen becomes visible. That's the promise of the bionic eye. It's not just about restoring vision, but about transforming lives. For those living in the shadows of visual impairment, this innovation could mean the difference between dependence and autonomy, isolation and interaction, despair and hope. But the potential of the bionic eye doesn't stop there. It's a symbol of what's possible when humanity's ingenuity meets technology's limitless potential. Today, it's the bionic eye. Tomorrow, it could be a solution for hearing loss, paralysis, or any number of conditions that rob people of their independence and quality of life. The bionic eye is also a shining example of how technology can foster inclusivity. It's a reminder that in a world often hampered by barriers and boundaries, technology can break down walls and open up new horizons. And let's not forget the impact on the medical field itself. This innovation could pave the way for new research, new methods, and new breakthroughs. It's a testament to the power of science, the spirit of discovery, and the resilience of the human spirit. So as we marvel at the bionic eye today, let's also look to the future with anticipation and optimism, because this is just the beginning. The bionic eye, a beacon of hope, a testament to human innovation, and a stepping stone to a future where visual impairment could be a thing of the past. In a world where technology is constantly reshaping our lives, the bionic eye stands as a shining example of how it can change lives for the better. Let's recap. Developed by an Australian university, this groundbreaking innovation gives hope to those living in darkness. By translating images into electrical signals, the bionic eye has already had a profound impact on trial participants, offering them a new way to perceive the world. Its potential for the future is limitless, opening doors to greater advancements in medical technology. As we stand on the brink of a new era in medical technology, one thing is clear. The future is bright, and it's looking even brighter for those who once lived in darkness. Before we close, we'd like to take a moment to express our sincere gratitude. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of medical technology, and for sharing in the excitement of this groundbreaking innovation, the Bionic Eye. Your curiosity and eagerness to learn make these explorations possible, and for that, we are deeply grateful. From all of us here at FactStub, we thank you for watching and invite you to join us again as we continue to explore the world of facts and innovation. Remember, knowledge is power, and the future is brighter when we learn together. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.